Alright, this is the 2019 389 again. Has the wood dash on it. That's a pretty expensive little option. Last time I checked data books, it's about an $1,800 list price option. It's wired for trailer dumps. It's got that lower right hand corner is PTO prep. It's got dual senders for the fuel tanks. Has cabin sleeper lights, air cleaner lights, wired to the auxiliary switch, dual electric mirrors. It's got two new Atlas Elite seats in it. Oh, this one's got a little bit of a tear in the back. Well, for crying out loud. That's going to get replaced. We like nice stuff, guys. We like them to be right when they leave. Primarily for our own selfish reasons, we want you to come back, buy another one from us. It's got a fridge in it. There's a step back in the dash. There's that piece there. I'm not sure if we've got new Atlas seats or if we'll just swap these both out to Legacies, I guess, but